Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Just Stone back here again with another video. This is a bit of a different one. Today I'm in Cardiff for a work trip and my work has actually put me up in Hotel Indigo in the centre of Cardiff Central. So as I said in my last video, walking around the Emirates Stadium, I'd like to do a few more videos where I can sort of walk around, you know, show you things and such. I have stayed in this hotel before and I really enjoyed my experience. So when they said that they were going to put me up in this hotel again, I was really excited about it. So I thought, what a better way to sort of, you know, keep going with these videos showing you things than to maybe try a hotel review. So because I'm here with work people, there are people I know, I don't want to get caught out and made to look like an embarrassing fool. I'm just going to show you my hotel room and then maybe just talk about a few other things around the hotel itself. Right, so I've already checked in, so let's take a look at the room and what it has to offer. Right, so we've just stepped out of the lift and here you've got some nice carpet in the lobby sort of area, or the lobby area of my floor. On the third floor, this carpet runs all the way down around the hotel. And we are in room 317, which is right here. And I like the key cards here. It's like a nice little wooden effect. So as you'd expect, let's tap it there and let's step into the room. So as you might expect, you put the key card into here and that gives you power and voila. So I think one of the themes of this hotel is something like they're a music themed or something like that. They're quite quirky. And on here, in the room I stayed in before, I don't remember these being here. These are like, what do you call it? The sort of air protectors, wind protectors, that's it, for microphones. So these are just coat handles, I think. And on here you've got Do Not Disturb and the menu. But let's show you the room because I really do enjoy these hotels. So as you can see, there's things like on-air applause stage door. And look at that. You have the bed right there with decorative speakers along the back. I don't think they are actual speakers. We'll have a look at those. But it's very nice. So I'm only staying here for one night. It is a double room, but it's just me staying here. So let's give you an actual close-up tour of what this room has to offer. Right, so as soon as you walk in, this room has a desk, which is ideal. If I decide to do some work later on, you get a desk. Got a nice mirror there. You can actually see me. Hello. Yeah, I've got some posters here for musical acts. So as you can see, Tom Jones, Shirley Bassey, Duffy. And you have got some nice plug sockets here with USB sockets, which is the way of the world now, isn't it? What's this? You got a little menu here. So for example, let's take a look. Sandwiches, £10.95, a pizza, £15 to begin with, you know, the standard price you unfortunately come to expect. And this is a room service menu for 24 hours, so that's pretty ideal actually. So with the desk, you don't get this jacket. This is my jacket. You get a nice bog standard chair with a little waste paper bin there. Over here, you've got a big screen TV. Not sure how big that is, but I'm gonna guess that's maybe, would that be a 32-incher, perhaps? Nevertheless, it's bloody big for one person in the hotel room. Let's just switch on. Smart TV. Does work. Fantastic. And the sound is very loud. Right, so that works. Switch that off. Continue the room tour. And it is a Samsung TV, so it's quite a well-branded TV. Just below it, you've got some drawers. You can open them. Very big, spacious drawers. Yep. Fantastic. Put clothes in there if you're staying there for longer. Just behind me, you've got, in front of the bed, you've got the stand for your suitcase. And next to the TV, you've got a big wardrobe. What's in here? Oh, wow, that's a very nice touch. This is great. So I've actually got two bathrobes. Oh, and it lights up. There's light sensors there. That's fantastic. Two bathrobes. That's nice. It's always nice to be a little pampered when you're away from home. So we've got two bathrobes. We've got an iron. That's ideal because it was raining as I got here. So just to dry off, I might have to put my clothes under the iron. And of course, you've got the ironing board to go with it. That's nice. Yeah. I've just found that there is a hairdryer here as well. Just noticed, what's this? No, that's nothing. Next to it, is there a light sensor here? No, there's no light sensor here. So here you've got two tumbler glasses. sort of almost like wine glasses without the stems, on top of their own paper coasters. Yeah, nice little sheep there. Here you've got a kettle. How's that open? Oh, you just flick that up like that. Looks quite clean. Not going to complain. In here, what have we got? We've got Earl Grey tea. What is that? Oh, bloody hell. Instant coffee. Galaxy hot chocolate milk. Different variations of tea. Welsh tea. Interesting. Okay, and we've got 2 toffee waffles. Oh, that's nice. I don't remember having these before. Fantastic. 2 sheep mugs there. Only 1 teaspoon there. That's a bit strange. Anyway, down below, what have we got here? Oh, down below we've got a safe. Ideal if you're going to stay here for long. And we've got a mini fridge. Is there anything in the mini fridge? And we have 2 bottles of water. I assume these are complimentary. As my company's paying for it, I'm going to touch them just in case they are censored or anything like that. I don't know how it works here. So what's that? You got still, and I assume that this is fizzy water. Yeah, that one's fizzy. It's a bit wet for some reason. Why is that? Hopefully the fridge is working all right. That's a nice touch. Put stuff in there. Take a look at the view. What view have we got? Not a great view, but doesn't matter. I think the room makes up for it. It's a bloody nice room. Let's carry on with the room tour. Over here you've got the signs, as I mentioned, on air, applause and stage door. Underneath the bed you've got a nice, oh, it's quite soft, interesting looking carpet. That's nice. So the floor is wooden. I probably should have mentioned that earlier. So at least when you get out of bed in the morning, your feet won't get cold. You'll put it on the carpet. But it would have been nice if they included slippers, but I suppose that's asking too much, really. Over here, I love this. You've got a nice phone, and it does have a dialing tone. So maybe that's, yeah, dial 0 for reception. Nice pad with a pencil there. More plug sockets with USB sockets. Good old lamp. How's this? What's the switches here? Yep. And then, oh, there's another light switch that operates the light over there. Pop that back on. Right. Here we've got another big drawer. Let's put all your stuff in. Move over to the other side. So the same thing. Big empty drawer. Plug sockets. Oh, and there's a little smaller lamp. Bloody hell, that's bright. So I guess that's maybe a reading lamp. It doesn't extend though. Okay, fair enough. There's no Holy Bible. Not that I'm complaining, but you normally get a Bible in hotels, don't you? But anyway, on the bed, you have got this runner. It's quite nice. It's quite thick. See the bed. Bed feels quite sort of soft to firm, if that's a phrase. Don't really want to try the bed in my clothes because, as I said, it was raining. Pillows seem very soft. Now, I normally sleep with just 1 pillow, but maybe I might have to try 2. This one feels the firmest at the moment. On the back, you've got a nice sort of leather effect headboard. And yes, these are just decorative, the speakers here. It's a very nice touch. So the speaker, oh, they're soft. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting them to be hard plastic, but that looks really cool. I like that. And you've got big curtains to cover the windows, stop the light getting in the morning. Here we are again. Nice big mirror. See how you're dressed. And the room does come with air conditioning. Now, is this on? I assume it's on. Yeah. So it's gone off. Just trying to listen for it. The vent is just up there. Reminds me a bit of a Premier Inn. So if we turn that up, turn that on. Oh. Okay, I'll work that out afterwards. So let me show you the bathroom. I really like the bathroom here as well. So let's turn all the lights on, why not? Now this bathroom is something else. I'm liking this. So you've got the sort of hard floor here, hard tiles. So if it does get wet, obviously on carpet or wood or something, it wouldn't go down very well. Here you've got a nice big sink. Lovely. I like the sink, the way it stands out. You got some complimentary hand and body lotion and hand wash. Good shaving mirror there. Shaving sockets. Now this as well, I think, if I remember correctly, if you have the TV on, say for example, listening to the radio, you can actually turn on the speaker here. So just say you're in the shower or you're on the throne, as they say, you can actually listen to the radio as well, clearly. Say if you've got the door shut, that's pretty cool, I like that. I think I tried it before, might try it again. Nice big vanity mirror here. Toilet roll with a toilet. Looks clean enough, I'm happy with that. Everything looks polished, nice and shiny, no fingerprints. You got two, oh, these are plastic cups and some tissues. I like the sort of tiling on the back here. That's good. And lights, two sets of nice clean towels and one for the floor. Now what I am going to enjoy is the, is it waterfall type shower? So you've got handheld and the waterfall. So press these buttons accordingly. So that's for the handheld and that's for the waterfall one. I am going to enjoy that later. Nice big power shower, nice big shower. Realistically, you could probably stand about 4 people in that if you're having some sort of weird party. Over here, we've got the complimentary stuff, so shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Hopefully that's all topped up. Handle here to assist you. And yeah, like I say, in my opinion, this hotel is grand. Apparently it's a 4-star hotel. Oh, I didn't show you this. Lampshade there with drumsticks, so the music theme continues. Right, so let's quickly just feel out the bed, just sit on it. That's not bad. So it is quite soft. If you like a firm mattress, it's probably a bit too soft, but it doesn't feel as soft as if you're going to really sink into the bed. So yeah, I think that'll be all right. Hopefully it'll be okay. So nice big bed there. Right, so if you're going to stay at this hotel or thinking about it, I hope this video has helped you. I'm staying here midweek. It is a Wednesday, and the price for the room that my work paid for is $92.65. So I'm not sure if that price includes breakfast, but apparently breakfast is included in my deal, and I think if you pay for breakfast separately, it's $15.95 a person. So it might sound pricey, but I think if I remember correctly, you do get a good selection of, say, like, you know, the full English breakfast or Welsh breakfast probably as well, continental stuff, and you can get things like waffles and pancakes, which is pretty good. So a good thing to keep in mind, the entrance to the hotel is a little disguised. It's in like a sort of concourse area. You have to walk through a set of doors and there are shops around it. Sort of like, it looks like it's located within a hallway or a mall, if you understand what I mean. Go into the hotel, check in, go up to your room, and the bar and the restaurant is on the top floor. I think there's 6 floors here, so just keep that in mind if you're looking for the bar and or the restaurant in the morning. All right then guys, let me know if you enjoyed videos like this. Maybe I can do some more reviews if I do stop at a hotel for any work related things, or if I go on holiday or something like that. Unfortunately that is a bit few and far between, but yeah, I'm looking to maybe do some more videos exploring things. Maybe I can just walk around with the camera and just let you know what they're like, sort of, you know, reviews. I like helping people and I hope my videos are helpful. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. There we go. And leave a comment, any questions, I'll see if I can help. But otherwise, I'm gonna enjoy my stay here and then pop out for some dinner later on. So take care guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't be a plonker, almost forgot that. Take care.